So first we have to take a circle. For that, press Shift A, Mesh, then Circle. Then hold that circle and place it little bit top. Then duplicate it by pressing Shift D and just place it little bit left. Then select both of the circles, go to edit mode by pressing Tab. Then make sure select all the model by pressing L. Then just place that vertex nearby another vertex like that, because later on we have to merge these two vertices. Okay, select it properly, place it, then select your below object, then object, set object, go to origin to the 3D cursor. After that, give a modifier mirror, then apply that, then select all your circles, press Ctrl J to combine that, then select all the in-between vertices and delete. Then just select nearby vertices, then Alt M, then Alt at center to merge the vertex. So you can use Shift R also for the repeat command. Shift R, done. After that, we have to select our curve, then give a modifier that is screw, then go to screw and give 10 iteration. You can use 3. Our rope is done. Now the next thing is we have to give a shape of our rope. So for that we can use Shift A, then to curve, then path. So the rope we can hide for now. Just click on that eye icon, it will hide now. So rope, as I can see, it's lying in different direction, so we can rotate it as we want, place it properly, then select that, go to edit mode, select the vertex, the top one, then you can use E to extrude that and give your desired shape. I'm trying to make a R. Yep, done. Then what we'll do, we'll adjust the size of that curve according to our rope. If the rope is small, you can decrease that curve size. If the rope is big, then you can increase the curve size. Select your rope and give another modifier that is curve. This one. Just click on that. Then you can increase the iteration. So before that, we have to select the curve. That's why it's not taking any shape. So just click on that I button, then select that curve. As you can see now, it's going to follow that curve. Then you can increase that iteration, but as I can see now, it's going in the different direction. So for that, first you have to select the proper direction. So X is not working, Y also not working. Let's try the Z. Now minus X. Yep, it's working fine. So according to your axis, just select which one is best for you. Now we are going to increase iteration again. So you can just check this thing also, this works fine or not. So as I can see that this rope goes extra. So why it's happened? because we have to select that curve and go to set origin, then origin to the 3D cursor. That we have to do first. So then it works fine. So now, as you can see, we can decrease that to 10. Then we can adjust our desired shape. Yeah, we're done with that.